learn some other language words also, and at the same time learn something from you. Okay, same way you see. Okay, now let me ask you this question. When that so and so, what is that once more you tell? Okay, oh, that Panchaudi, if it comes here, I cannot, if it comes here, I cannot see it, right? Though it is here, I cannot see it. Why am I unable to see? Because the pixel values of the neighbor and the pixel values of that creature both are same. Yes or no? Are almost same. Now when I say I am able to see black dot here, why I am seeing black dot here? Because the surrounding pixel values are different from this. If suppose the pixel value of this also is same as the neighbors, I cannot see this there. I cannot identify that this is black there. Got the point? Okay, that is something important. So if you are seeing something special somewhere, it means the pixel value of that particular region is very much different from its neighbors. Otherwise, you cannot identify that particular different thing there. It will just get mixed up there. Okay, na? So what I wanted to convey now is this black dot will have a pixel value which is very much different from its neighbors. Okay, yeah? So maybe that value is say some 5 or 10. Generally black means 0 generally. So or if it is not pure black, if it is approximately black, then it may have a pixel value very close to 0. So let me put as say 5. Okay, now what is going to happen, let us see. As we are scanning like this, at some point of time the center of this is coming to this. Now at that time, how will be the pixel values? The overlapping pixel values will be like this. A 5 and other things will be something like 100, 101, say 99, some 102, 102, 102, say 99, say 98, something like this. Okay. Now what is that we are doing every time? We have to take the median of these numbers, and then whatever comes we have to copy exactly at the same location here, where the dot is exactly same place. We have to put the median of these numbers. Yes or no? So when I try to find the median of these 9 numbers, what will happen? First what I have to do, to find the median, what I have to do first? The 9 numbers, how I have to put them? I have to put them in any one order, ascending order or descending order. But even by mistake you are not telling the word descending, because these people always want to ascend in their career. Okay, even for mistake also they are not telling from their mouth descending. Okay, so always they are telling ascending. But in this case it can even be descending. You have to put in any one order. So when you put them in ascending or descending order, what will happen to the pixel value of that black spot? It will go to one of the, it will go either to this corner or it will go to where? That corner. Okay. So what will be there in the middle? Definitely that will not be there in the middle. Something else will be there in the middle. And that value will be something like say 100 or 101 or 102. Yes or no? So that 101 or 102 kind of thing you will be copying here. Definitely you will not copy that 5 here. Other than 5 you will be copying something. Yes or no? Okay. That means you are not copying the dot here. That means this output is free of dots. Done. That is what you wanted to do. So that is what is 9th class. Now shall we give job to 9th class boy? Or shall we give job to a BTech 4th year boy? You have to think. You have to think. So now you should see how to apply the concepts that you studied. Very, very important. Otherwise, you will be just having a certificate which will be just flying off in air. Okay? Yeah. So all this story can be done in one line now. Okay? CLC. Now assume that the C is the reconstructed photo or the filtered photo. C is the filtered photo. So let me use this median filter 2. Median filter 2. Okay? Median filter 2, that is a command. Then what file we are filtering? B, right? And with what size? 3 by 3. Okay? So let me tell you some good practices. You can put 3 space 3 also. You can put either 3 comma 3 or you can put 3 space 3 also. But if I put 3 space 3, some people may think it as 33 who are sitting very far. Okay, so that is why it is a good habit to put sometimes this comma. Okay, those space is also a valid thing there. Okay, other people may misunderstand it as 33 sometimes, that they may not be able to understand the space there. Okay, so that is how it is. Now one important thing is, whenever you are playing with the images, whenever you are doing with images, it is a good habit to put a semicolon at the right side first. Okay, by accident if you press enter before putting a semicolon, generally it will print, I think you know, without putting semicolon, if you use MATLAB commands, what will happen? It will print the values then and there, right? So in images it is a good habit to put semicolon, because if you don't put it and accidentally if you press enter, it will print the lakhs of numbers, or at least the thousands of numbers, all the pixel values it will go on printing. Then what is the problem for you if it prints? You are not printing, no, you may think. Never think like that. If someone is misusing current, or if he is using if someone is overusing the current somewhere, your power bill will increase. Same way, if you are not putting that semicolon there, it will be printing. You may think, hey, if it prints, what is the problem for me? No, that is the problem for you. Because when a system prints numbers, it will become slow. It will not do fastly. That means it will do the work slowly. Indirectly, you are also waiting like this. Means your lifetime is getting wasted by few milliseconds probably. Okay. And one more thing, when the numbers get printed there, they will print like this fast. If you keep seeing like this, your eyes also will get spoiled. You should not see that kind of fast moving things. Okay, so for all these things, I don't do that. So you should be cautious about that. Let me press enter now. Now let us see what is this C. Im show of C. Im show of C. Okay, now this is the reconstructed signal. Okay, so are you satisfied? Okay, so you do and see later on. Maybe if you are sitting far, you cannot see the dots and no dots. That it may not be very clear to you. Okay, right. So just we used 3-4 commands. That's all overall. CLC. Now we will try to play something with audio. I will ask some simple questions. What are the frequencies which we can hear? 20 to 20,000 hertz. So this is what is a compulsory question in your 10th class. It came in the exam, you wrote it, you passed, and that is why you are here now. Yes or no? Now my question is, what are the frequencies which we can speak or talk? What we can listen is 20 to 20,000. But what frequencies we talk? Just apply common sense. We can listen this much to this much, say 20 to 20,000. Now whatever I am talking, you are able to listen, yes or no? That means, what will be my talking frequency? Definitely. It should be within this or out of this? Within this only. So full or little? That is another question.
Little, sir.
Little. So if it is little, then what? How much?
Between 20 to 5,000 hertz.
Why 5,000 is a lucky number for you?
Sir.
What happened? Why suddenly 5,000 you stopped? Yeah, roughly, you have not studied anywhere?
Approximately.
Yeah, approximately 3,300 they say. Okay, 3,300. So approximately 300 to 3,300. That is what we generally talk. Okay. So yeah, in different books they may give up to say 4 kilohertz also. Okay, something like that. So that is what we talk. But how do you prove it? Every time only telling theory, huh? So how do you prove it? Okay, shall we pick up one person who came from other planet? We will see whether, yeah, please come. We will check whether he is from Earth or not. Yeah, please come. We will record your voice and see. If you are not, so then you will. Then come, please come. Yeah, come. Yeah, send him, send him. He is not looking as if he is from Earth. Yeah, please send him. Anyhow, now ISRO is trying to send people into space, right? Yeah, you please come. We'll see. Someone come, we'll try. Okay, now this is a good opportunity. Okay, why I call you is, did you talk to your friends at any time, all your classmates, right? Have you given any your valuable speech to them? Your message, did you give any time? Already 1 year over. Then when will you give? You should take this as opportunity. Now you give them a greatest message, please. Yeah. You will start. Are you ready to give some message to them? They are waiting for your valuable message, like as if they wanted to listen to Subhash Chandra Bose. Now they cannot see Subhash Chandra Bose, so they are waiting at you for your valuable speech. Some golden words you have to tell. Like Tirukkural, it should be like that. Yeah, you know Tirukkural, right? Yeah, okay, tell that teacher. He knows, right? He knows or not? Yeah, he knows. Yes,
He knows everything, sir.
Hey, Karnal is saying, Telugu is saying, if you say no, they will catch you outside the door.
In this planet.
If you tell you don't know Tirukkural, once you open the door, Karnanidhi Jayalalitha will catch you. You know it, right? So be loud, just we will record and then we will see whether you belong to this sect or not. Right, start. Okay, hey, when great person is talking, how can we? Everyone, right? Okay. Yeah. No laughing, only talking. No, just a Tirukkural one. Just be loud, Mike you want one Tirukkural. So many, he wrote so many. See, why you know Tiruvalluvar wrote so many Tirukkural, why you know? If he had written only one, people may forget. So he wrote so many, at least you remember one. So you remember at least one. Right? Right? You are a Tamil person, you should not tell I forgot. What is this? Wait, nothing is coming. It is just a plane. Wait, we'll see whether it is working or not. Let me check then. Let me check. Sound is not coming. Wait. It's not recording, I think. Then wait. Let me check in another file. New. Is it coming now? No, it's not coming. Right. Okay, that's the problem. At least we'll play something. Let me play and see first. Okay, it's playing but not recording. Okay, just let me check again. Close this. Let me open again once more, maybe. Okay, there will be some audio recorder here. Now you try to use that. There is the audio recorder here. There will be some audio recorder, no voice recorder somewhere. Yeah, you will see. Okay, so we'll stop it here now. Okay, we'll stop it here. Now which format it is showing also we have to see. Okay, let me play it, we'll see. Not playing, right? Okay, we will see later, I think. Not coming now. We will see, maybe in the lunchtime we will see whether it is. It is not taking into mic, that's the problem. Okay. Right. Okay. I will try to manage without that. Now the question is that I said it is we can talk from 300 to 3300 and we can listen from 20 to 20,000. You can think this in a slightly different way. Just to think, if we are born in a reverse way, in the sense, as of now our system is, we can listen this, we can talk only this. So whatever we are talking, we can listen, because this is a subset of this. Okay? When I say if we are born in a reverse way, for example, God has created that you can talk this, but you can only listen this, then what would have happened? Whatever you talk, you may not be able to listen also. How worst the situation would have been. But by mistake, also God has not created us like that. Yes or no? So you should understand the importance of having this mouth and use it only for good works. Means from this mouth you should only talk good things. You should not tell unnecessary blames or scold someone. Like this you should not waste your talking power. Another thing you can think as, another moral you can take from this story, like it's a technical reason you can think. Another thing you can think is, listening is this much, talking is only this much. Maybe God wants to say, talk less, listen more, for enhancing your knowledge. Okay? So keep that also in mind, just to go on, keep talking, yeah. Anyhow, now I will ask a very interesting question. I will ask one volunteer to come and draw sine wave. Yeah, please. Someone come and draw sine wave. Quickly, someone. Everyone is eligible. Yeah, please, come, quickly. Draw a sine wave. Now you see here how he is drawing sine wave. You can take any pen. Okay. Now don't